Hey guys, welcome back to my reaction for another reaction video. How you guys doing? I'm back again to reacting to the group Dala Malaysia Pop, M-Pop. And this is the English version to their song Impikan, but it's in English, it's called Watch Me Glow. This is a dance performance video, and someone said, hey, you should react to the English version. I was like, you know, sure, why not? Why not? Why not? Let's go. Yes.
I don't know when it started. Now I know what you wanted. You ain't got nowhere to hide. Yeah. Saying sorry, sorry. All your words mean nothing. You got caught, now you're out of time. Yeah. You had me going, but I'm moving on. Curtain is closing.
I live for her energy. Nah.
Now move along. You had me going, but what did you think? You blew your chance, now I'm letting you sing.
Nah. Nah, move me.
You really thought you could get away, but boy, the
Truth
truth
is.
nothing more than a liar. Boy,
And
you
I'm
started
fucking
to
the
fire.
fire.
You come crawling back, honey. I'm not falling for it. I'm better without you.
Now watch me go. Watch me. Oh, watch me glow. Hey. Watch me. Watch me glow.
Watch me glow, baby, brighter than the sunlight. Wish upon a star when you got it. You didn't have it
Sunlight.
right. Now you thinking twice, acting nice when you feel like
Okay.
I had time, got me shining in the limelight. I got it like
Hey,
that.
hey.
I ain't no fool trying to play me like that.
Hey,
Know I could
hey.
replace you anytime I want to.
Dude.
Like I got my girls and we blowing up, come through. You had me going, but what did you think? You blew your chance, now I'm letting you sing.
Oh, nah.
Thought you could get away, but boy, the
So it is.
nothing more than a liar.
Yeah.
You started to
Fire.
you come crawling back, honey. I'm better without
No, watch me go. Watch me glow. Hey. Hey. So watch me glow. Watch me. Just watch me glow. Just watch me. Just watch me glow. Yes, come through the vocals. Me glow.
I'm better without, now I'm feeling alive. I'm better without, cause what you did.
I'd live for her face. She just give that bad bitch energy.
I'm better without, now you watch me.
Watch me go.
Thought you could get away, but the truth is nothing more than a liar. Boy, you
Gonna the fire.
come crawling back, honey. I'm falling for it.
So watch me go. Hey. Watch me. Na. Hey. Watch me. Watch me go. Hey. Watch me. Watch me. So guys, that was the M-Pop group from Malaysia. Hi Malaysians. That was Dala, the girl group, Watch Me Glow English version dance video. I really do appreciate it. The Dala fans be coming through. Trust and believe me, I be seeing the post. I really do appreciate it. I really do love this song. I like the original Impikan and I like this song also, Watch Me English and the Malaysian version. Love both. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. I want to say thanks to the ones who introduced me to Malaysia pop. Like I said over and over before, K-pop and J-pop is what's hitting right now, especially K-pop. And then you have P-pop, Philippines is also coming there as well. So I'm happy to see that M-pop is here to show these girls and guys that they too can compete. I really do like that. I'm all about inclusivness for everybody. I think this industry or this entertainment field is open for everybody, and I'm here for it. Give these heifers a run for their money. Oh god, I amuse myself. I know. For everybody else, I really do appreciate it. Whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment. And I will get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.